How's it going, Bearable Traders? Robert H here. Gonna do a quick recap of a trade I took this afternoon on TEL, T-E-L. The stock was not in play. I have no idea what the company does, what the news is. This is a replay of the last 20 seconds before the closing bell. Just wanted to show you guys. I hung on just because the price action was telling me it probably had some steam left in it. And right there, the bell closed. I got out at the very high of the candle at the 4 o'clock or 3:59.59. So really proud of that last exit there on the remaining partial. So this stock came up on my scanners. I've been working on these scanners for the community here, reversal scanners. I think it's really going to help solve the midday problem. At the open, you know, we have stocks in play. They make the gappers list and they move for the first hour or so. And eventually, you know, the moves, they kind of just die off and other stocks become in play, right? Other stocks start selling off, getting far from the VWAP, getting extended. And this is what I'm trying to do with these scanners. So as you can see, TEL came up, QCOM, which was not in play, also came up. Just a bunch of different stocks that are getting really far from the VWAP, either above or below. And the scanner helps pick them up. So I'm looking to share this with the community eventually. This was another one, XAS. I almost took this short right here, actually. It came up on the scans. I was going to short it here to the VWAP. Yeah, I'm looking to share this with the community eventually once I fine tune it. It needs quite a bit of work right now. I think it's a little bit too busy on certain days. So I'll look forward to that. Anyways, so TEL came up on my scans. I forgot what time it was. It was actually chirping off quite a bit throughout the day, 155, 230, 250. The thing about scans, they tell you that something's happening, but they don't tell you what to do. I think that's a misconception that a lot of people have, is that they think, oh, I'm just going to go and get trade ideas and then I'll be a profitable trader. No, that's not how it works. This was telling me that TEL was getting far from the VWAP, 3% from the VWAP. You know, this is all the volume indicators I use, some different alerts I use. And basically I pull it up on screen, and now it's up to me as a trader to decide what's the trade here, what's the play, what's the entry, what's the exit, what's the risk, what's the stop. So as you guys know, I take these 15-minute reversals. I love this white spinning top here. Took it on the break of the body, put my stop down here, low of the day, and I hung on through this little pullback, nothing to be concerned about. And then we got the momentum, the volume really came in. What's the 2-minute chart here? Volume kind of came in as we made higher highs here. Consolidated around this moving average, which happened to be this moving average, and I just took a little bit more off just because, you know, these things, they can lose steam and easily become reverse ABCDs. And then I held on the last 10% just because I saw in the 30-minute chart that we were so close to making a new 30-minute high. And if you think a 15-minute reversal is powerful, you should see how powerful 30-minute and 60-minute reversals are. These things can pop with extreme strength. So I just waited it out there, got the new 30-minute high, and then we just popped right into the close, made a nice ABCD bull flag type of formation. And as you saw in the beginning of the video, I got out right at the high of this, right at 359.59. So that's the trade. Pretty good risk to reward there, right? This was my risk down here. Took first partial after getting 1.5 to 1, a little bit more there, and then saved this for it looks about 2.5, maybe 3 to 1 or something on that last bit there. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the chat room tomorrow.